Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on the Samsung Galaxy A3. To scan QR codes on this phone, you will need a separate app, as the camera on this one does not have that capability built in. You can go to Play Store and search up some sort of a QR code reader. Install the one of your choosing. After installation is completed, open it. You may have to give it permission to take pictures and record video. Then, use your camera and point it at the QR code. Make sure the QR code is within this box. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.